Solve this system by elimination. We want the x terms to cancel when we add the equations. The x coefficient magnitudes are 2 and 4. Their least common multiple is 4. Use 2 on row 1 and 1 on row 2. That gives negative 4x and positive 4x. Multiply every term in the first equation by 2. Multiply the x term by the same factor. Now multiply the y term by that factor. Finally, multiply the right side too. Add the aligned equations. The opposite x terms cancel. The x terms cancel. The y terms combine to 5y, and the right sides combine to 30. Divide both sides by 5. That leaves y equals 6. Use y equals 6 in the first original equation. Replace y with 6. The remaining x term equals negative 6. Divide both sides by negative 2. X equals 3. The solution is x equals 3 and y equals 6. It makes both original equations true.